Yeah, our weather's looking pretty good. If you like breeze, we saw plenty of it today. It's still pretty windy out there tonight. And on that breeze, we've seen some showers blowing by. The clouds up and down when those showers right now. Our Broward camera looking to the south. 81 in Miami, 80 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 80 in Key West. A 5 on the stickiness scale. Humidity levels have been a little bit higher than they were a few days ago. East-northeast breeze at 13, gusting to 18, and 2/100 of an inch of rain at MIA. Here are the showers over the past 3 hours. A pretty good band that has been racing off to the west-southwest, covering just about all of South Florida and the Keys. Right now, some heavier showers now just south of Marathon, going along the 7-mile bridge there, headed into the lower Keys, as well as some showers moving through Broward right now. Just brief heavy rains. They're moving pretty quickly, so the rains won't last too long, just enough to make the roads wet. Winds gusting anywhere from 28 to 33 miles an hour today. Temperatures made it despite the clouds, the showers, and the wind up into the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees, pretty close to normal for this time of year. Hurricane Lorenzo is a huge, enormous hurricane out there near the Azores now. The hurricane force winds extend out nearly, rather the tropical storm force winds extend out nearly 800 miles. Remember when Irma was here, it was about half that size, and you can see the overall size of the storm compared to Florida there. The hurricane force winds extend out about 150 miles, so it is just a huge storm, and it's moving to the northeast. Now that's just the future track there, which brings it as no longer a hurricane but still a powerful windstorm into the British Isles on Thursday and Thursday night. But there's the wind field, an enormous wind field that's headed up to the northeast there. Those folks are going to feel the brunt of it. There is Lorenzo moving on out of the picture. What we're watching closer to home, it's this area of showers and some thunderstorms kind of bubbling around the Caribbean there. It's one area here, a weak low pressure area forecast to move to the northwest, but the wind shear is pretty high up here, so if this does get into the Gulf of Mexico, it probably won't develop. And then the other system we're watching is one that's heading away for us. So right now, both systems not expected to impact Florida. There is deeper moisture that's headed our way, though. Tomorrow, still some showers on the breeze, and then as we get into the latter part of the week, Thursday and Friday, we're right on the edge of that deeper moisture, so some spotty storms around. Forecast then for tonight, staying pretty breezy out there and passing showers, low near 78. Tomorrow, not quite as windy as today. Breezy sun, some quick showers still lingering around, high temperature near 88. For boaters, winds east-northeast at 15. The winds will come down further on Thursday and Friday and taking us through the weekend. Still breezy tomorrow, spotty storms Thursday and Friday. A mix of sun and clouds on the weekend. Back to you.